Unleash your Python prowess with the Python Development Assessment, a meticulously crafted tool designed to delve into your mastery of the Python programming language. Python's ubiquity and versatility resonate across myriad industries, particularly in data analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, lauded for its intrinsic simplicity, adaptability, and readability. Successfully conquering the Python Development Assessment allows you to flaunt your expertise, potentially igniting fresh career prospects and avenues for professional ascension. Companies use the Python Development Assessment as a potent arsenal for sifting through candidates, scouting for Python prodigies to streamline talent acquisition. Enterprises utilize the Python Development and Coding Assessment to evaluate and enrich their incumbent workforce, amplifying harmony and efficiency through tailored training endeavors. With a robust foundation in Python, individuals unveil a Pandora's box of career trajectories entrusted with spearheading technological and business metamorphoses.